Thank you for joining me. Today I will show you how to make a touch-free hand sanitizing station. The supplies for this project can be purchased at any hardware store, costing about $20. Tools used for this project include the following: a hacksaw, a tape measure, Phillips screwdriver, pliers, a screw gun, a drill bit, 1-inch hole saw, Sharpie, gloves. You may also need a power saw to custom cut the wood parts. Let's start the project by measuring and cutting the pipe pieces. For this example, I cut the pipe pieces to the following sizes: 2 1/2-inch CPVC pipes at 38 inches, 2 1/2-inch CPVC pipes at 7 inches, 2 PVC pipes at 26 inches, 2 PVC pipes at 12 inches, 4 PVC pieces at 5 inches, 2 PVC pieces at 3 inches, 2 PVC pieces at 1.5 inches, 1 PVC piece at 7 inches. The white PVC pipes are 3/4 inch. Next, we will be assembling the base of the station. For the base, we will use the following 3/4 inch pieces and fittings: 2 PVC 12-inch pieces, 4 PVC 5-inch pieces, 4 PVC 90-degree fittings, and 2 PVC T fittings. Assemble the base in the following manner. The second part of the base requires the 2 3-inch pieces, 2 1.5-inch pieces, 2 90-degree fittings, and 2 T fittings. Drill a hole at the halfway point of all the 7-inch pieces. If necessary, cut the wood pieces. Cut the smaller wood piece. Using the 1-inch hole saw, we will shave off a recessed circle about halfway into the wood. This is so the screw head in the washer is below the wood. We will now assemble the foot pedal, the sanitizer platform, and the pressure plate using the hardware that includes bolts, nuts, and washer. You do not have to fully tighten the hardware yet. Next, we will connect the 1/2-inch piping. For this step, only attach the 7-inch piece with the smaller piece of wood attached. Attach the remaining T fittings to the 26-inch PVC pieces, and then attach to the sanitizer base. Feed the 1/2-inch piping into the 3/4-inch piping through the top. Connect the 7-inch PVC pipe to join the T's in the upper region. You can now attach the foot pedal. I recommend angling the foot pedal for easy access. Snugly tighten the hardware. It is recommended to write a message on the foot pedal. You can also write a message in the upper region as well. Congratulations! You have now created a fully functional, economical, touch-free hand sanitizing station. These sanitizing stations can be utilized everywhere. We are planning to donate this one to the local community. I hope this instructional has been useful and will help you with your future crafty economical projects. And as always, remember to sanitize those hands.